These are the 4 most expensive birds on the planet, and number 1 costs more than your luxury mansion. Number 4, Coco Toucan. That cereal box beak is not cheap. This bird can run you $10,000 just to have a flying highlighter perched in your living room. Number 3, Black Palm Cockatoo. Big, black, and moody with a rock star crest. Owning one of these can hit $20,000, basically the price of a used car, for a screaming goth parrot. Number 2, Hyacinth Macaw. The giant royal blue parrot of rich villain movies. One of these can cost up to $50,000 for just a bird that might chew your furniture to pieces. But hold up, if you think this kitten is cute, like and subscribe, or this spider will crawl inside your ear tonight. Number 1, Racing Pigeon. This looks like a normal street bird until you hear the price. Elite racing pigeons like Armando, a Belgian champion, are selling for a staggering $1.4 million.